Hi, I'm Donna from the Papa District Library, and today I'm going to show you a really simple craft we have for adults, and it's a sun catcher. Here's an example of some sun catchers that we made in previous programs at the library, but now since we have to go virtual, we're going to send you a kit. Well, you can pick up a kit. We have in the kit instructions and some clear glue. We'll give you a packet of stones and beads and glass and everything you'll need to put inside of your kit. This is a kit that we have started to make, and I'm going to go ahead and make it with you, and then you can follow along at home. But it's super simple and it shouldn't be any problem at all. Just be careful if you do get some pieces of glass. They could be sharp on the edges, so be very careful handling some of the glass. Some others are smooth, like the beads are very smooth. Okay, first you're going to take your stones from your bag and arrange them however you want in the plastic template thing. So I've already done that. And then take your clear glue and just open it carefully and just dump it all around your beads and your glass. And you'll see it gets nice and shiny looking. And be sure to cover all of the glass with the glue. Now, one of these is probably not going to be enough, so we're giving you two, and just keep pouring all around until the entire surface is covered with the glue. And then we're going to take a toothpick that will be in your kit, and if you see any bubbles that you don't like, just pop those bubbles. And then that's all we do for now. Put it in the window or some flat surface to dry. It takes about 24 to 48 hours. Once it's dried, determine what's going to be the top of your sun catcher, and then you just take the paper clip, also included in your packet, and poke a hole through the plastic with the paper clip. When you've got the hole through, take your fish line, feed it through. I can't lift it up right now because it's still wet. Feed it through and hang it like this one. This one, we did take it out of the plastic mold, which you could do, or you can leave it in the plastic mold, whichever you prefer. And that's all there is to it. Please come and pick up a kit and then sit down with the video and make yourself a sun catcher. We do have some kits that we'll bring out to curb service if you'd rather not come into the library, or you can come to the front desk and we will give you a kit at the circulation desk. Thank you for viewing.